Hello dear friends, in my previous video we have seen developing vocabulary with the help of antonyms. Now we are going to see developing vocabulary with the help of word building processes. Actually it is quite essential for the students of BSc Part 3rd to develop their vocabulary properly because they are going to face an interview in their future life. Because after BSc, you will have to face the world having some basic skills of communications. So you should have proper, exact, appropriate and correct vocabulary with you. Then and then only you can face the world. You can face the world positively, confidently, effectively and impressively. Now we are going to see developing vocabulary with the help of word building process. How to build a word? We are going to just understand how to build a word. Prefixes is the first point. What is the prefix? Prefix is an affix which is attached at the beginning of a word. Attached at the beginning of the word means before the word you have to attach prefix. For example, the affixes im, ir, in, dis, il, mis, di, en, mal, anti, by, tri, mono, etc. are prefixes. We can use these prefixes for making a new word and use it appropriately. For example, im is a prefix. Can you guess by using the prefix im which word can be created? Impossible, immature, immoral. Then ir, by using the prefix ir, the word creates irresponsible, irrelevant, irrational. Just like the same, unhappy, unable, untold, unknown, unlike, unlucky. All these words are created by the using of prefix un. Then dislike, discharge, disability, disconnection, disregard. Then illegal, illiterate, illegitimate, illegible by using the word prefix ill. Mis is a prefix through which you can create a new word like misunderstand, mismanage, misbehave. Just like the same demean, devalue, denote, de is a prefix, and all these are base words mean, value and note. A new word creates demean, devalue, denote. Then bemoan, bewitch, befriend, be is a prefix. Malnutrition, maladjustment, maltreatment, malpractice, all these words are created by the prefix mal. Then enable, enact, enliven, enlist, enlarge, enchant. These are the prefixes and through which we can develop our vocabulary by creating a new word with the help of these prefixes. Now suffixes. A suffix is attached at the end of a word. What is the meaning of suffix? Suffix is a word attached to the base verb or word after the word. With the help of suffix, you can make new words. Just like the prefix, you can make new words with the help of suffixes also. When you attach a suffix to a word, the form of the word changes. Suppose the suffix is attached to a basic word, the form of the word changes. For example, noun becomes a verb or adjective or adverb. If there is a noun and if you add suffix to that noun, the class of the word changes. It will become verb or adjective or adverb, and vice versa. Means adverb become noun, adjective become noun, verb become noun, or vice versa. By attaching suffix to a word, we come across a new word and also come to know its difference in meaning. By attaching the suffix, the word which we will get may have different meaning. For example, the word good is an adjective, but if we attach the suffix ness, N-E-S-S, to it, we get a new word goodness, which is a noun. Only good word is an adjective, and if we add ness to that good word, a new word is created, goodness, and that is a noun. But every suffix does not change a class like this. There are many suffixes: er, est, ing, and the new word is taller, smaller, earlier. Suffixes of comparison, we can call it. Tallest, smallest, earliest. Suffixes for superlative degree. These changes degree, not class. Ing, singing, dancing, chatting, calling. These are the words. Suffix forming progressive form or a noun. Singing is a noun. And singing is a progressive form also. He is singing a song. So class maintained. Then suffix es, yes or ed. Reaches, watches, matches, walks, talks, calls, asked, called, believed. Suffixes of past tense. List, economist, scientist, artist, nationalist. IZE is a suffix which creates new word like summarize, synthesize, memorize, verb forming suffixes. ATE is a suffix, activate, new word, facilitate, verb forming suffixes. Full, FUL, wonderful, powerful, beautiful, useful, adjective forming suffixes. Class changing, actually class changes here. Wonder is a base verb and wonderful is an adverb. So adjective. Wonderful is an adjective. So adjective forming suffixes here. So class changing suffixes are ATE, FUL and ISH. Boyish, foolish, selfish, adjective form. Then suffixes developing vocabulary forming nouns. There are some suffixes through which we can form a noun. ION, NESS, SION, ATION, OR, ER, MENT, SHIP, HOOD, ANCE, ITY. These are the noun forming suffixes. And for by using these suffixes, we can create a noun like creation, happiness, permission, duplication, actor, singer, management, friendship, boyhood, guidance. Then there are suffixes used for forming verbs. There are some suffixes, by using these suffixes we can form a verb. IZE, criticize, ATE, activate, EN, shorten, FY, clarify. And there is verb forming prefixes also. EN, EM, OUT, DIS, MAL, MIS, RE and BE. These are the verb forming prefixes. Prefixes means the word used before the base verb or word. Enrich. Enrich is a verb. Empower is a verb. Outsmart is a verb. Out is a prefix and smart is a base word. Disconnect. This is a prefix and connect is a base word. Renew. RE is a prefix. NEW is a new base word. And the word which is created by using this prefix is verb. So there are verb forming prefixes also, and there are verb forming suffixes also. If you get the textbook, you can definitely go through it while listening this video. That will be beneficial to you to understand properly what I am saying or what I am explaining. You should definitely understand properly when you will have a textbook in your hand while listening this video. So thank you.